Welcome to my channel. Netgear EX3700 Setup, Web Browser Method. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug the Netgear EX3700 into a power outlet near your main router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Connect to the extender network. On your phone, tablet, or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network, Netgear_EX. Step 3. Open a web browser. Launch any web browser and type http://www.mywifiext.net. Step 4. Start the setup wizard. You'll be redirected to the Netgear Genie or New Extender Setup page. Click on New Extender Setup. Create an admin account, if prompted, and choose Security Questions. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi. Select your existing Wi-Fi network, SSID. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password when prompted. Step 6. Set extender network name. Choose to keep the same network name, SSID, or create a new one. Example, your network_ext. Step 7. Apply and finish. Click Next to apply settings. Wait for confirmation message. Your extender is successfully connected. Step 8. Reconnect your devices. Now, connect your devices to the new extended network. Optional tips. Once setup is done, you can move the extender to a midpoint between your router and weak signal area. Ensure at least 50% signal from the main router at the new location for best performance. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.